Rohit Gurunath Sharma, born April 30th, 1987, is an Indian international cricketer widely regarded as one of the greatest limited overs batsmen of all time. Nicknamed Hitman for his explosive six-hitting ability and elegant stroke play, he is a right-handed opening batsman and occasional off-spin bowler. He played for Mumbai in domestic cricket and captained the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League, IPL, leading them to 5 titles. Early life and domestic career. Born in Nagpur, Maharashtra, Rohit grew up in Borivali, Mumbai, facing financial hardships. His talent was spotted in a 1999 summer cricket camp by coach Dinesh Ladd, who helped shift him to Swami Vivekananda International School on a scholarship and trained him for free. Initially an off-spinner, Rohit transitioned to batting and made his first-class debut for Mumbai in 2006-07. He quickly established himself in domestic cricket, representing Mumbai and later captaining the Mumbai Indians in the IPL from 2013. International career. Rohit debuted in ODIs in 2007 and played a key role in India's victory at the inaugural ICC T20 World Cup that year. His early career was marked by inconsistent performances, often labeled as a talented but underperforming player. A breakthrough came when he was promoted to opener in limited overs cricket around 2013, transforming him into a prolific run scorer. He became India's full-time captain across formats in 2022 after Virat Kohli stepped down. Under his leadership, India reached finals in the 2023 World Test Championship and 2023 ODI World Cup, but fell short. Redemption came in 2024 when he captained India to the T20 World Cup title, ending an 11-year ICC trophy drought. He retired from T20 immediately after. In 2025, he led India to another ICC triumph in the Champions Trophy, becoming only the second captain, after MS Dhoni, to win multiple ICC titles in white ball formats. Key achievements and records. Only player with 3 ODI double centuries, 209, 264. The highest ODI score, in 208. Most centuries, 5, in a single ODI World Cup, 2019. Over 11,000 ODI runs, reaching the milestone as the second fastest, behind Virat Kohli. 600-plus sixes in international cricket. 50 international centuries, 33 in ODIs as of 2025. Surpassed 20,000 international runs in 2025. 6 IPL titles, 1 as player with Deccan Chargers in 2009, 5 as captain with Mumbai Indians. Awards. Arjuna Award 2015, Major Dhyan Chand Kale Ratna 2020, ICC ODI Cricketer of the Year 2019. Personal life. Rohit married his longtime friend Ritika Sajda in 2015. They have a daughter born in 2018. He is known for his calm demeanor, support for animal welfare, ambassador for WWF India and PETA, and philanthropy. Rohit's journey from humble beginnings to becoming a modern cricket legend exemplifies perseverance, talent, and leadership. His aggressive yet stylish batting has redefined opening in white ball cricket.